Little TLC on the red truck. Sierra was complaining about the belt squeak, so I replaced the belt. Old belts right there. And that was not easy. I had to pull apart this whole thing. My arms are like sandpaper from reaching down in there. So now it's got a new starter right there. And I had to fix the shift lever because the indicator got off a little bit. I don't know what she did. But I had to tear that whole thing apart under there. I had to replace that clip. So yeah, so far. Now I just got to do the ignition key. It's like hard to turn. It's like gotta, fiddle with it. Anyways, just giving you a update on what's going on. Anyways, bye.